In today's video, we will explore various methods of writing CSS. To get the starter code, use exclamation sign and hit the Enter key. When it comes to applying CSS to HTML elements, there are three ways you can do it: inline, internal, or external. Out of these, the external method is the best, especially for larger websites. To demonstrate, let's work with a simple web page. We'll create a title using the h1 header tags. This is my first website. Additionally, we'll add 2 paragraphs using the p tags and some lorem ipsum text for demonstration purposes. Lorem ipsum is a dummy text commonly used in design and typesetting. It allows you to generate paragraphs of various lengths. For example, if you want a 30-word paragraph, simply type lorem 30 and hit Enter. You'll instantly have a paragraph with 30 words. Similarly, you can generate paragraphs of different lengths by specifying the desired number. Now, let's explore the inline method. You can apply CSS properties directly within the opening tag of the element you want to style. Just add the style attribute and set it equal to the CSS properties you want to apply, enclosed in quotes. For example, let's change the background color of the web page. Within the opening body tag, add style equals background color, pink. To keep it simple, let's stick with color names for now. Here, this line of code is called declaration. The name before colon is called property. And after colon we set the values. Now I want to center the heading and paragraphs. For that I can use text-align property with center. Our heading and paragraphs are in the center of the page. Next, let's make the h1 header tag red. In opening tag of h1, use style attribute, use color property and give it red color. Now give background color to heading, it may be white. Now, for the paragraphs, we can apply multiple CSS properties. Within the opening p tag, add style equals background color. After colon, set desired background color, which is green-yellow. And other properties, with any other CSS properties you'd like to apply, separated by semicolons. Apply one more property, it may be color. White. To save some time, we can copy the style attribute and paste it for other paragraph. This is an example of inline CSS, where we apply CSS properties directly within the HTML tags. Before talking about internal CSS, let's comment this code. Now talk about internal CSS. We can use internal style sheets. Inside the head section of your HTML document, you'll need to add a pair of style tags. Within these tags, you can specify the element you want to style, such as the body, followed by curly braces. Inside the curly braces, you can list the CSS properties you want to apply, like background color. Tomato. Make sure to save your changes and refresh the page. Let's apply CSS to the h1 header tag using an internal style sheet. Inside the style tags, specify the h1 element and within its curly braces, add the CSS property color. White. Repeat the same process for the paragraph tags. Select p tag by writing p in the style tag. In curly braces, add CSS property color. Blue. This is how we can add internal CSS. The last and most recommended method of applying CSS is by using an external style sheet. To do this, we have already created a separate CSS file with the name website.css. Next, we copy all the CSS rules from our internal style sheet and paste them into the website.css file. We can now remove the style tags from our HTML file. To link our HTML file with the CSS file, we need to add a link element within the head section. The rel attribute is set to stylesheet, indicating the relationship between the linked documents. The ref attribute specifies the relative file path of our CSS file. In our case, the name of CSS file is website.css. By using an external style sheet, we can apply the same styles to multiple HTML pages. For example, if we create a new HTML document called new.html, we can link it to the same CSS file by same process. This allows us to make changes to our website by modifying the CSS file, and the changes will be applied to all linked HTML pages. Using external style sheets is convenient and efficient, as it allows us to manage styles for our entire website from a single file, making updates and changes easier to implement. If you found this video helpful, I kindly request your support by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, activating the notification bell for future video updates, and leaving random comments.